Hi, in this video I'll show you how to turn off your workflow, automation, email sequence, depends how you call it, inside of Bronto. Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of email marketing agency called Flowium, as well as this YouTube channel. As you know, Bronto is shutting down their platform in May 2022. So a lot of brands are moving away, migrating from Bronto to different platforms. If you are planning to migrate from Bronto to Flowium, we do it for free. And you can visit this website, this link, there will be a link under this video, so you can read it why we do it for free. So this is number one. If you still want to do it yourself, this is step-by-step process how to migrate Bronto to any other platform that you have. So let's go back to Bronto. Let's say you already built your automations, you're ready to start with your new ESP, and how can you turn off Bronto workflow so it does not fire in both places. So let's start. Okay, so first thing, let's go to bronto.com, click on sign in, put your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, select the account you need. When we are in the account, click on automations and now click on workflows. As you can see, here are 3 workflows which are active, and simply what you need to do is click here, and it will turn off this specific automation workflow, and you are done. This is how you turn off your automations. If you're first time on this channel, please subscribe. We are releasing this kind of video twice a week. And also, if you are looking to migrate from Bronto to Flowium, I strongly recommend to take us on our offer, migrating your account completely for free. Thank you.